I come back. Hey bestie, welcome back to Mulalo Nails. How you doing? How you doing? I hope you're fabulous, sisters. You won't believe I have 58 subscribers. Oh my god. Pew 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 pew. Thank you family for following. Okay, let's get to business. I'm using the rhinestone glue acetive. I don't know what they call this gel, but it's meant for rhinestones to create that 3D effect. Okay, firstly I painted all the nails with the color choices I wanted, thinking they were great for fall as it's getting a little cold and raining, so I thought orange, perfect. So the orange nail is gonna have that 3D effect, followed by the index finger. I'm also going to give it an index, what do you call a 3D effect. I'm just doing raggedy lines, just going with the flow, no order to it, just flowing. Baby girl, you not come to Mulalo nails without chrome. Hey, I'm in love with chrome. I'm doing shiny chrome. I'm just surprised I'm not using purple, but anything chrome I love. So I don't quite like what you call the gray nail, so I decided let me cover it up with some gold chrome to give it some some shiny. I hope you like it, friend. What do you think? Does it look cute? I took a look and I was like, let's put a Frenchie. A cute light brown Frenchie will go well with the gold. So I made sure the middle finger gets like a nice Frenchie. And you know, child, a French nail takes time. So I started with an outline, then I went in and I painted it, the rest of it, and then tried to fix it up where I thought just needs a little enhancement. I used a blooming gel here, as you can see. I figured I need the blue to make it pop. The orange and blue go together. So I tried to bloom the blue of the nail using a blooming gel. Then I decided for the ring finger, let's make it bloom as well. I liked the blue and the gold and the orange, giving sunset fall colors. Like the sky represents the blue. I put the blooming effect on it and it bloomed pretty nice. You know, friend, when excitement gets in the way, you get carried away. I was like, how about we just chrome all the nails and just leave the blue? So I figured I could put chrome on my index finger and then put like a circle to represent the sun, as you can see. But I wasn't sure how to get it like that, but I figured whatever the top coat covers, it will leave like a goldish effect underneath. Then I figured let me make some stripes so that the blue under this nail can pop. As you know, I'm saying sunset colors, so I'm thinking the blue sky will come out under the chrome. You get me? As you can see here, I'm just wiping away all the chrome using a gel finishing wipe. Wiping until I was like, this is decent. Let's put top coat and end it here. Knowing me, honey, I would have carried on. But I hope you like these nails, bestie. Thank you for following. Please like, comment, or just leave a heart. Leave a heart under the comment sections. I'll really appreciate it. And thank you for sticking around. Thank you, bestie. Enjoy your week.